790A Auto Frame Bending Machine. This machine is a global pioneering innovation in the industry, combining the entire process seamlessly from feeding, baking, bending, to freezing and solidifying. Each step is based on scientific principles and ensures the best stability and quality. The successful application of our company's 3 patented universal molds and adaptive silicone upper molds enables quick mold changeover in just 5 to 7 minutes. The heating temperature of each frame is automatically and accurately read at the moment of heating, and the pressing process is simultaneously cooled and shaped. With the assistance of the frozen storage box, the entire process is isolated from water, avoiding any shrinkage issues. The processing precision and stability of the product's appearance achieved by this machine are unmatched by traditional methods.